Hey guys, I'm Paris Wells for the Beauty TV Minute on the Beauty Channel. For today's Beauty TV Minute, we have 3 products to help you stay tan all year long. No need to go to the tanning bed in the winter. Just use these tanners to keep your browns glow. First, we have Malibu Tan. An 18-ounce bottle is $6 at Walmart superstores. The tropical smell is a bonus to the gradual tan you'll notice after using this product. If you're just starting out with tanners, this is the best choice. Next is the Banana Boat Summer Color Self Tanner. This product will last up to a week and is also under $10. Lastly, we have Fake Bake Flawless Tanner. You just spritz on the solution and rub it into your skin with the supplied application gloves. It dries quickly for an easy, on-the-run tan. That wraps it up for today's Beauty TV Minute. For more beauty news, tips, and trends, visit www.beautytv.me.